Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to blur the background in CapCut. If you want to make your videos look cinematic, clean and totally pro, then you can use the background blurring option. First of all, launch open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Now tap on the New Project button on the first home page and then select the video clip where you want to blur the background on. You can choose a video from your device's camera roll or from CapCut's library. After choosing a clip, tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the timeline. Now, go ahead and select your video layer on the timeline. From the bottom menu that pops up, tap on Effects. From the Effects option, tap on Video Effects, and then you can use the search bar to search for the blur effect. After typing down the blur option in the search box, you can then go ahead and choose the blur effects it is showing you on the search result. The only background blur right now I see on the screen is metallic background. Simply tap on that and you will be able to see that you successfully blurred the background on your video. You can also increase or decrease the intensity by tapping on the same option once again. Choose the speed, range, noise, or intensity according to your preference using the slider, and after you are done, you can go ahead and save the change. And as you can see that the background that I have on the video is now blurred out. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.